9 communities closed their schools for the rest of the week. Plymouth is one of those towns. WBC's Christina Rex joins us live in Plymouth tonight to give us a closer look at conditions there. Christina.
Yeah, Courtney, it's slow progress here in Plymouth. I'm right in front of Town Hall. You can see here benches, public benches here are still covered in snow. The sidewalk shoveled out maybe a foot wide, but not even the entire length of the sidewalk. Downtown Plymouth is starting to look a lot better and the main roads are cleared, but there are still several roads in town that have yet to be plowed.
Yes, it's usually plowed like the same night or the next morning.
This is a cul-de-sac, typically, but it's caked in over a foot of snow. Sometimes finding the people most impacted by a storm takes a little legwork.
Not normal. We're normally plowed out within 24 hours.
Mary Ellen Weeks has been housebound since the blizzard. Her husband out every day working on power lines for Eversource.
How tired is he? Exhausted, but he's working. It's essential.
She says he walks down the entire unplowed street to meet his ride.
So her husband has done this every day to go to work for Eversource.
There are more than 1,000 crews out on the South Shore and Cape trying to restore power.
This is typically what we see for damage, in a storm like this.
Eversource's Doug Foley says they expect to get the final customers' lights turned on by the end of the night on Friday. That means these crews working round the clock to fix downed wires as people's homes get colder by the minute.
It's a humbling experience.
Yeah. These ladies are headed into a warming center at Plymouth North High School. The Red Cross shelter has been at full capacity each night since the storm.
Shelter's not always a favorite place for anybody to stay, but when your house is 30 degrees, it's safer to be here.
From the National Guard to neighbors trying to snowblow a path out for their cars. It's all hands on deck to try to get back to normal.
It's wild. I haven't seen, I don't think anything like this since we've been here.
Back out here live, you can see the lights are back on downtown. Many businesses that were closed yesterday are open today. Now, I do have a note on the power coming back for anybody living on the South Shore or on the Cape. Eversource says you can subscribe to text messages so you can get an accurate estimate of when your power will be back on. And here's the critical piece of information. If you get a text that your power is back on, but your power is actually not back on, there's an issue, and Eversource wants you to call them and let them know so they can fix your line directly. Live here in Plymouth, Christina Rex, WBZ News.